Hey guys, Suyun here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing another Nike sneaker that I got during the All-Star weekend. The first one, as you know, if you watched the previous episode, was the Nike Adapt self-lacing sneaker. Second one I was able to get through a sneaker app, and it was the highly most anticipated sneaker, which was the Jordan 5 Off-White. I'm super hyped that I got this. Actually, I didn't believe that I got it. It was a draw, as you guys know, at around 11 a.m. You go on a sneaker app and you put in your information, you get into a draw, and then 10 minutes later, they pick out people. I first got the draw winning by getting my credit card charged, so I got a notification from my credit card way before I got the notification saying got him. But nonetheless, I got it for you guys. Let's unbox it and show you guys how it looks. Alright, the box came like this with, again, the Just Do It tape. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here we have the Jordan 5 box. Right off the bat, you kind of notice the hole or the windows within the box. This is like a classic off-white move. And then you have the Jordan Jumpman on the front, Nike Air on the side here. Just typical black bottom on the Jordan Air here. The only thing I could say is these windows are pretty much the unique off-white boxes that you see before. If you open the box up, it opens from top. It has the wrapping paper. It's not the regular wrapping paper that you see in the box. This has a plastic one. It has an Off-White logo all over the place. It says Off-White 2020, year 2013. The year 2013 obviously signifies the year which the Off-White was found by Virgil. And then right on top you have the Jordan Jumpman. Alright, let's look at the sneaker itself. I got the size 9, again, for my own size. This is super dope. I love the colorway. I'm personally not a biggest fan of the Jordan 5. This colorway and this look was just so dope. I had to get it. So if you look at it, you have the Off-White tag right at the back, the black one. And it comes with the black shoelaces with the lace stopper here. It's kind of like a yellowing gum plastic lace stopper. It has a tag that says made in China. Overall, you have this gun metallic colorway for Jordan 5. Another thing is like these foam exposure that you see on these Jordan 5s are something that which Virgil likes to do and Off-White likes to do in their sneakers. So you see this foam that's kind of like exposing from the top. In the front you have the Jordan Jumpman logo. In the back it says Air Jordan upside down. Of course we can't miss out on this window, circle of window, which is shown on the outsides of the sneaker. It's very translucent. I believe you could see through it. Yeah, you can kind of see my fingers through it, so it would definitely show whatever you have on your feet in terms of socks. And you have this mesh breathing material plastic filling here, and also the number 23 on the bottom of the sole with the Nike Air logo, and the inside sole has the Off-White Air Jordan 1990. I think the 1990 was the year which Jordan 5 was dropped, so this means it's 30-year drop, anniversary drop. So it's pretty dope that Off-White kind of came up with the Jordan 5. I'm maybe the only one, but I'm not a biggest fan of Jordan 5 like I said earlier, but this definitely made my interest on 5s way more. If you look at it, again, it came with two other laces, kind of whitish but off-white, and we have the red shoelaces and the black shoelaces. I'm trying to find the shoelaces inside because we have the signature Off-White shoelaces, which has the quotation mark and shoelaces on the tip of the lace. Same thing on the red and same thing on the Off-White color shoelaces. I personally think the black one looked dope, just like the way it came in, so I'll probably keep it at that. Take a look at the bottom. You have that yellowish undersole. I personally like the yellow, hint of yellow here. There's really no other hint of yellow on the shoes, but looks better than if you were to go with just regular white. So I think this little accent was great. Giving a little gum bottom vibe here. And then we have the Nike and the Jumpman logo on the bottom. This sneaker is so sick. The retail was $225. It's probably gonna go resell for about way over 1,000 for sure. Right now I think it went down a little bit, so it's like reselling around 800, 900. But if you hold on to it, definitely, I personally think it's gonna go up to between 13 to 1,500 resale price. So I personally gonna hold on to this and see how it goes. But that being said, let's wrap it up. I'll give you guys a closer look and we'll wrap it up.